extremely interested to see how this goes. Hey guys, it's me, KeriKontours. I am here to basically talk about Pattern and its products. Tracee Ellis Ross let out Pattern, the product line, and these are my results. So if y'all want to know how I got these results, you keep watching. Now, I'm not going to go over my full wash and go routine. There is a whole video on that on my channel. Go ahead and click over to that. I'm going to put a little whatever thing to pop down or whatever, so that way you guys can click and go to that. If you've never seen my wash and go routine, go ahead and watch the tutorial. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, rate, comment at KeriKontours on Instagram. And yeah, this is actually, oh gosh, I look a mess. Anyways, my first impressions video. And so the products that I will be trying today, even though I can only get 2 of the 3 products that I wanted because they sold out. This is the Pattern hair system by Tracee Ellis Ross. So extremely interested to see how this goes. I saw a short video, a little snippet from a video of Tracee Ellis Ross talking about how the hair care, like the chemical, I guess the research that had been done on hair care is mainly based on straight, white, fine hair. So European, Eurocentric hairstyle. And so she really took it upon herself to go to chemists and work with them to figure out how how water penetrates curly hair that is tight in a zigzag form, and so on and so forth. So we're gonna try out the Pattern products today, and I think this is a really cute card. On the back it has Pattern by Tracee Ellis Ross. At Pattern, it's not just how hair looks, it's the way it feels, and so on and so forth. And it also says by purchasing Pattern products, you're helping to support organizations and programs that empower women and people of color. Okay, learn more at patternbeauty.com. This is something that I bought with my own money. I just wanted to try it out. I actually was a little skeptical at first because it's it's celebrity, whatever. And you don't know if the person is actually really trying to help the natural hair community or the curly gals, or if they're just trying to make a quick buck. Once I saw the video of her explaining, all that she did, the fact that it's been 10 years in the process, that's pretty, that was kind of a selling point for me. I was like, okay, girl, I guess. But anywho, to the products. So it came in this little thing. It says juicy and joyful. And honestly, I did not get the full size of anything because I don't know how my hair will react. There are certain brands that I just don't use because my hair does not react well to them. So I did pick up 2 of the 3 fluid ounce bottles. This is of the hydration shampoo and then the heavy conditioner. Now, I actually did not read the website that well as it pertained to picking out the conditioner. I just know that for me, my hair is always thirsty. That's why I'm heavy-handed with products, because I know my hair is hella thirsty. And so I decided to get the heavy conditioner based on what I've read post-purchase. This one is the right one for my hair type. And they do have one intensive for people who have more of a Z coil, more of the 4 C's and all of that. So my hair is 3B, 4A, and it's only 4A in certain spots. As you see, my hair is in a protective style right now. So I'm going to take these braids down, and then we will get into this shampoo. It's the hydration shampoo, gently cleanse and hydrate, 3 fluid ounces. This was $9. The Pattern heavy conditioner for coilies, and this was also $9. Now, the only product that I wasn't able to get that I really wanted was the leave-in conditioner. They have a 3-pack of this, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in together in these smaller ounces, but it was sold out. So I guess I'll be waiting to get the leave-in at a later date.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so I am about 20 minutes outside, 20 minutes outside the shower, 20 minutes after washing my hair completely with the Pattern products. Now I just want to make 2 notes based on my experience in the shower. One thing I was really surprised about was how, I mean, it says it's heavy conditioner, but I want to show you guys the texture of it. So as I'm having to press down, like you see, I'm fully pressed, but it's not coming out. That's because how thick it is. Like, it comes out real slow because it's thick. Shorty is thick, and it's more like a legit cream rather than a regular conditioner that you would use in the shower. Like, conditioner is more watery or whatever, but their conditioner, super thick. But and to me, it's more like if you had a lotion that you were, or a thick cream that you were rubbing into your face. Like, that's what I get from this texture. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And the smell of the conditioner is more floral scent, like a legit floral, like, you know, this is flowers. But the shampoo, which I'm going to show you now, the texture of this, oops, sorry, that's water, is more, you know, it is more liquidy, like you would expect a shampoo, but it's actually still like kind of thick. Oops. It's not like, you know, watery, basically. And the shampoo is more of a sweet smell, but it's still like floral scented. So let me go ahead and pull my hair down. So this is just a regular t-shirt, and my hair is in 3 sections. 3 sections. And so we'll just pull them out. And I mean, this is, okay, 20 minutes after. I mean, I kind of feel like it's pretty moisturized looking, to be honest. If you see any specks of anything, it's just water. But okay, I'm here for it. So this is me fresh out the shower. I'll take this side down too. And because I actually twisted this side in the shower. I got lazy on this side, y'all. I was ready to get out. If you know how it is, you know how it is. So yeah, this is pretty, I mean, it seemed kind of juicy. My hair is it's pretty juicy. I bangs with the juiciness. This is kind of lit. So this side clearly is more dry than this side because it wasn't twisted up. But I've got to say, I'm here for the amount of moisture it seems that my hair has right now fresh out the shower. Like, that's pretty bomb. No product on it at all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come back after I've styled my hair completely. I'm just gonna do a regular wash and go, my regular situation like I normally do. I do have a video on it. Pattern does have its own leave-in conditioner, but once again, I will repeat this. I ordered too late and the leave-in conditioner was sold out. And I guess I could have waited a few days to go to Ulta when it gets in stores on September 22nd. But I need to wash my hair. Like, my hair was dirty. I had to take them braids down. They was done with. So anyway, I'm about to go finish up the rest of my hair and I'll be back with some final thoughts.
A few moments later.
I am back. So now my final thoughts. So as you see, you know, the curls are very juicy. And my hair is mostly dry. I did just diffuse a little bit, but diffusing really is like, I get bored with it very quickly, so I never get it to dry all the way. But anyway, it's mostly dry. But I will say, you know, I am impressed. I feel like my hair is moisturized. Like, usually when I do, because I use the same products that I always use when it came to doing my wash and go. And I feel like my results are a little better than normal. Like, I just feel like my hair is super juicy. And one thing, while I was doing it, what I realized was I didn't have to keep spraying with water to rehydrate my hair. That's something that I usually have to do in the back and all that once I am done drying, or once I'm done with one section and I have to switch to the next section. I feel like I usually have to spray a lot of water to get my hair to, become really moist again before going back in with the gel. And this time I didn't have to do that. So I'm gonna say that's on pattern. I think it might have been pattern, because as you guys saw when I got out the shower and had rinsed everything out, my hair was, it was really moisturized, and now it is really moisturized again. I will say one of the other positives was for the conditioner. I really was thinking I was going to have to use globs and globs and globs of it. I did not. I legit, after the first time, because the first time I went a little crazy on the first section, but the other sections when I went back and used it, I used less, and it still spread out across the whole section without any issues. It still had the same consistency with less product, which is usually not what you get. You usually are concerned, oh, I need to add more because I need my full section to be fully coated, and with just a little bit of that a little bit of that conditioner, I was good. Like, I am heavy-handed with hair products because my hair is thirsty, okay? Thirsty. And I didn't have to worry about that. And I feel like these results are kind of popping. I'm gonna give Pattern its props. Shout out to Tracee Ellis Ross and her whole team for, coming up with something that's pretty lit. Now, I'm probably going to come back, I am going to come back once I get the leave-in conditioner and then try the whole system together one more time. And that video is going to be a little different because I do use gel on my hair every single time I do a wash and go. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to work that out, because what if the leave-in doesn't go with my gel that I normally use? Like, that'll be the thing that kind of makes it a little difficult. So anywho, you guys go ahead, rate, comment, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Thank you for watching, and y'all have a good one.